As of this release, it is possible to calculate the change in cover. The tool works similarly to the standard burial assessment tool. Select the burial assessment difference tool and then choose a cable or pipeline. Here, I choose S1. And then you can choose bathymetry of layer A and bathymetry of layer B. I chose here 2 different years, and then you can set the criteria for the thresholds for the differences in the legend. You can select the KPs. You can base the interval on KPs or on a fixed distance. And when you click Generate, it will create the result. And here we see the result. So the line gets the colors of the legend for the differences. So here is mostly no difference or small negative difference. And you can here also expand the legend. And here we have a spot with a big difference and big negative difference. In the panel on the right side, you can see the information about this specific selected segment. You can see the cable name, the KP start, KP end, and the status, which in this case is big negative, which means here larger or equal than 1 meters.